The absolute value of an integer is the distance of a number from 0 in a number line, regardless of its direction. It is denoted by 2 bars, as shown here. So this is our number line, and let us consider this given. Let's say you are asked this given. It is read as the absolute value of positive 3. So what is the value of absolute value of positive 3? First, we're going to locate the given positive 3 in our number line. So here is our positive 3. Now, to get its absolute value from the definition, it is the distance from 0. So this is our given 1, 2, 3. Since there are 3 units going to 0 or from 0, it means the absolute value of positive 3 is 3. And for our given number 2, the absolute value of negative 5. So, same process, we're going to locate the given negative 5. So, what is the distance of this negative 5 to 0? So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, since there are 5 units, therefore, the absolute value of negative 5 is positive 5. In our given number 3, what is the negative absolute value of positive 2? So notice that given number 3 is different from 1 and 2 because there is a negative sign written outside the absolute value symbol. So how do we take this? So let us focus on the given positive 2. So what is the distance? So first, let us locate positive 2. So positive 2 is somewhere here, located here. Now what is its distance to 0? 1, 2. So it is positive 2. So therefore, the absolute value of 2 is 2. But we need to consider this negative sign since it is not inside the absolute value. So we will just write this. And our final answer is negative 2. And our example number 4, let's say we have an expression like this. The absolute value of a number n is equal to 4. So in this case, so this n represents a number that we do not know. So think of a number that if we're going to get its absolute value, it gives us 4. So the first number that comes into our mind is positive 4. Why? Because positive 4 is 4 units away going to 0. Okay? So if we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, the absolute value of 4 is 4. So it means this number is 4 because the absolute value of 4 is 4. But we need also to consider the other side because if this n is negative 4, it will also make the equation or the sentence correct because negative 4 is also 4 units away going to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the same distance to 0. So therefore, we have two possible answers here, and that is n is equal to negative 4 or the same n equal to positive 4.